Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I want to show you how I've done over $100,000 in my online business in the first 3 months of 2021. Now guys, I'm going to pull back the curtains. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing in my business today to create a 6-figure income. Now guys, this is the exact same thing I've been doing since I started my business in May of 2019. So this is going to be useful if you're looking to start an online business, you have no products to sell, you don't have a following, you don't have an email list. This is literally going to give you my framework, my blueprint, so you can create a successful online business in 2021. Let's get into it. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos that's going to show you how I built a 6-figure income literally from scratch, and how I went from an electrical engineer to a full-time online marketer, and my life has completely changed. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into this video. Now, before I show you the exact strategy that has made me over 6 figures in the first 3 months, I want to show you the income proof and how much I've been able to make with my different income sources. Now, the first one here that I'm going to show you is my YouTube ad revenue. So YouTube actually pays me when I run ads on my channel. So as you can see here, from January 1st to March 31st, you can see almost $6,000 here. Now, the second revenue stream is something called ClickBank. You can see in the first 3 months, over $8,000 here. Now I'm gonna go to one of my bigger ones here. This is PayPal. PayPal's definitely like multiple income streams from multiple affiliate programs. So you can see over $14,000 in the first 3 months of my business. Now, as you can see here, this is my Stripe account in the first 3 months. You can see over $83,000 with this income stream here. And this is another one here that I used to promote. This is Legendary Marketer, a little over $2,500 here. So if you add these up together, it's a little over $114,000 in the first 3 months of my online business. Now I do have over 20 plus income streams I promote. These are just some of my bigger ones that I just wanted to show you, because I want to show you exactly how I'm doing this and how you can make money with multiple income streams, not just one. Now, step number 1 when creating an online business is you have to have that core offer, whether it's an affiliate product, whether it's your product, your course, coaching, consulting, whatever it is, you have to have that core product. Now, the main goal of that core product is to build an email list. I get this question all the time. How am I promoting so many products? I have over 25 plus income streams. How am I able to do that? And that's with my email list. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that. But first, guys, you have to have that core offer, right? That main thing that gets people on your list. Once people are on your list, then you can promote multiple things, right? They get into your email database and you can promote other softwares, other programs, and that's how you build a strong, successful business. Now I'm going to walk you through how I get people into my email list and what happens once they get into my list, okay? Now, as you see here, this is my email autoresponder. I have created over 62,000 emails. Now, of course, the reason I build this email list is because what if I lose my YouTube channel? What if I lose my TikTok account? This is my main asset with my online business, and I can send an email to these people anytime I want and promote either my program, an affiliate offer. It doesn't really matter. Now, here's the powerful thing about an email list, okay? And I want to show you my email sequence. So if I go to automation here, I want to show you exactly what happens when people get onto my list, okay? So if I go to one of my email sequences here, you can see I have all these emails that people get. Now, a lot of these emails are emails that are going to my affiliate offers, that are going to my courses, but a lot of them are also building my brand and business. So they'll go back to my YouTube channel. I'm like, hey, go check out this free video. So not only am I giving them free value, I'm also giving them different offers, and that's how you build a successful online business. Now, of course, how do we build this email list, right? How do we get people on our list? And there's a few different ways to do that. And again, that's with the step number 1 is having that core offer. Now, how do you find these offers, guys? You can go on places like clickbank.com. You can find a private network, like let's just say Legendary Marketer. You can find my program, the 3-Day Challenge. If you're looking for a product that teaches people, let's just say how to make money online, something like that, okay? Now, that's the main thing, okay? So if you go to any of my videos here, and I just want to walk you through how my program works, guys, okay? So or how my business works. So if I go into any of my YouTube videos, you can see that I have a way for people to get on my list, right? So if people click here, they get into my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. But before they get into that, they have to give me an email. So if I click this, they have to give me their name, they have to give me their email address, and in some cases, their phone number. So now I'm creating multiple ways to get people on my list, whether it's an email address or a phone number, because then I can contact those people and follow up. And that's how you create a multiple income streams, right? Once people get on my list with this core offer, then I can go and promote other products, as you can see here. And that's the power of the email list, guys. I'm literally printing money with this email sequence, okay? Now, this is stuff I've been doing since day one of starting my online business, which was May of 2019, okay? I've just been able to scale more because I'm creating more content now. I'm able to create more products. I have a team now, but this is the exact same process that I used to quit my electrical engineering job back in March of 2020, okay? Now, a few of the things that I've been doing that are a little different from when I started, and I'll get into that in just a bit. Another thing that I consistently do is I make content on TikTok, okay? And it's the same process here. Is I create content on how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, giving people free value, but with a call to action, right? You always have to have a call to action to get people on your email list, to get people on your funnels so you can build that list, right? That's the main goal, is to build that email list. Same thing here. I'm creating content almost every single day. Now guys, the cool thing about affiliate marketing is you can create your business literally from scratch just by creating free content. I think I've created over 400, maybe 500 videos on my YouTube channel. I was literally so hungry to leave my job that I just kept creating content every single day. And guys, you can see this. I'm still doing this. I'm still hungry. I want to get to that 7 figures. So this is, I mean, you can see this. 23 hours ago, I posted. A day ago, 2 days ago, 3, 4. So guys, I'm still hungry. I still want to be able to grow my business, okay? A lot of people, when they get into this game, they want to build a business and they go through my programs and they post like 10 YouTube videos and they're like, nothing's happening. I'm like, guys, you have to continue to stay consistent. That's one of the biggest things with an online business is they start it, they get their funnels going, they get their emails, they're excited, and they think they're going to get a ton of traffic very quickly. Guys, it takes a while to grow a YouTube channel, to grow a TikTok, because you have to, one, you have to learn how to get good on camera. 2, you have to learn how to create good content, and 3, you have to get really good at copywriting, and that's just by doing it every single day. I've gotten better at creating videos, guys, because I do it almost every single day now, okay? This is a very simple process, right? I create content on things people are actually searching for, and then I have a call to action, right? Now, the call to action is always like, click the link in the YouTube description so I can show you exactly how to start your online business, right? Because in my actual courses, right, I teach people how to do it step by step. Whereas YouTube, I show them, little solutions to the problem. I can't give you the full solution on YouTube. There's just too much information, right? So that's how it works, guys, okay? That's how I've been able to create such a successful business in a short amount of time. Now, this is what I'm doing lately, and this is something that is fairly new to me and something that you can implement even if you're a brand new beginner, you're just starting out and you want to grow very quickly without creating content, stuff like that, okay? So let me just show you inside my YouTube ads account, okay? Now, the cool thing about creating ads on or creating content on YouTube is you can literally target people that have watched your videos, okay? Very, very powerful. So let's just say you're creating videos, right? Like on YouTube, I can literally target people that have watched my videos. So if I go back to my YouTube ads account, this is a campaign that I'm running to people that have already seen my videos, okay? So they already know my face, they already know my brand, and I can literally target these people to get more leads and sales. As you can see here, I've only spent, $158, 43 cents a lead, over 355 leads in some purchases for my programs, okay? Now, this is something that you can implement later on if you don't have an ad budget, but the cool thing is, let me just show you what you can do here, okay? You can link your YouTube account to Google Ads, all right? And the powerful thing about this is you can now run ads to your YouTube viewers, okay? So if I go to Audience Manager here, let me show you how this works, okay? I'm gonna go to, remarketing here. So I can literally create a list of people that have watched my YouTube channel or YouTube video. So if I go here, go to YouTube users, and I can say, people that have viewed a video from my channel, and let's just say people that viewed a video in the last, 180 days. Okay, so now I can create that audience, and now I can run ads to that audience. Okay, so this is a great way to start using paid ads into your business, because now instead of running ads to somebody that they have no idea who you are, you're running ads to people that know, like, and trust you. Now, of course, if you do want to run ads to people that have no idea who you are, you can do that as well, okay? And it's a little bit more expensive for the actual leads, right? So you can see here about $5 a lead here, but you are targeting people that have no idea who you are. You can build your business very, very quickly, okay? Now, I do have a YouTube ads training that I'm gonna be releasing very soon. I'm gonna leave a link to that down below. You're gonna be able to get on my wait list, and then you'll be able to access that YouTube ads training that's coming out very, very soon. This is gonna be for complete beginners, people that want to scale with YouTube ads. But now, guys, if you do want to learn exactly how I've built my affiliate marketing business, my 6-figure business from the ground up, I do have a 3-day business breakthrough challenge that walks you through step by step, click by click, and how you can get started from literally from scratch. And you only need a few hours a day to be able to do this. I'm gonna leave a link to that down below in the YouTube description, guys. But I hope this video was of value. I just wanted to show you exactly what I'm doing in my business. I like doing videos like this so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and it's really not that complicated. I think a lot of people try to overcomplicate this stuff. It's really not that complicated. The biggest difference with me is I'm very consistent. When I first started, I didn't see a lot of success for a long time, but I was very consistent. I knew I had the blueprint. I knew that I had to just continue going, and I was gonna hit a breakthrough, and that's why I named my program Freedom Breakthrough, because I wanted the freedom and I wanted to break through, and that's the main reason I named it that name. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was of value to you. Let me know if you have any questions at all on affiliate marketing, on how you can build an online business in 2021. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you guys soon.